back on the Rover as well. I was going to put the throttle cable on, but I've decided, because it's got the stop mechanism on it, I'm going to add the bit on the handle there and make it so it stops. So it's just a constantly set throttle on that one. So I'll get on with it. I've now fitted the stop lever there. There's already holes on there for the throttle, and they were on both sides depending on what side the throttle was put on. So I just drilled through the top hole like that, then it just springs in. That works all fixed now, and together the blade brake is done, the stop blade brake thing, so it's all back together and done. This will be the cold start on the Rover after the engine change, so I'm going to start it up. But I think it might need diaphragm changing in the car, which I haven't done, but it was a cold day today, so probably did take a little bit of warming up, so it's not much above freezing today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.